In today's video, I will be showing you how to only allow apps from the Microsoft Store to be installed on your Windows 10 PC. This is a great thing to do if you have multiple users or you have kids using your computer and you just want to protect your device by only allowing the verified apps from the Microsoft Store to be installed. So to do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click on the Windows Start menu icon. You now need to go onto Apps and Features. And underneath here where it says choose where to get apps, you need to click on the little drop down arrow and you can then change it to the Microsoft Store only, which is actually recommended in Windows. Now if you were going to try and install a program that's not from the Microsoft Store, you'll probably get a pop-up window saying your PC settings only let it install verified apps from the store. So if you did want to change it back, if you did need to install something yourself, you can simply go back on this menu, click on the drop down arrow and change it to anywhere. But if you leave it on this, it is recommended and it's a great way of protecting your PC. But that's it for this video. If this tutorial did help, then give us a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.